What's up? What's up? Yeah, fly morning. Welcome back to a new video. So, I feel good right now, and this is a quick video that I wanted to make, and share this because I think it's important, and it definitely can help somebody else. And the premise of this is protecting your network and your resources. When you work over the course of time and build a career doing something and meeting people, especially in the business of people, and building a brand that people can trust, people trust you. People trust you for your work, they trust your judgment, and things of that nature. So I think it's important to, when you reach out into your network or reach into your resources for an opportunity or whatever it is, to protect that. Make sure the opportunity is for them. Make sure the opportunity is solid, because I never want to feel like the person that put somebody that I'm close to, somebody in my network, in an opportunity that wasn't a great fit for them, or where they got taken advantage of or misused. I kind of was in a situation like that. So I reached out to somebody within my network that I felt like was a great fit for an opportunity was presented my way. So it just turned out a little funny, and we talked about it. It actually turned out to be a great conversation. It wasn't funny on my end. I didn't get blamed for anything, but I still felt responsible. You know what I mean? I felt responsible because I'm the person that passed the opportunity your way. The person didn't make me feel responsible. I felt responsible, and that's why I was inclined to make this video, that your resources and your network trust you for the brand that you built over the course of time. And you want to protect that by sharing opportunities and sharing other jobs and things of that nature. Make sure, really do your research and your homework to see that the job is legit, that people are going to be treated fairly. Once again, this is just something that I wanted to share. I thought it was important, and I just had a relieving conversation that made me want to make this video. Let me know if you got any questions, concerns. Like always, I will see you guys at the next video. All right?